Travelling at twice the speed of sound, Concorde was a regular visitor to this isle. It is home to the forbidden fruit and lays claim to the world's oldest rum producer. Both take centre stage in this refreshing pick-me-up. Chill a sling glass and put to one side. Place an Amarena cherry onto a cocktail stick and prepare a mint sprig. Express a pink grapefruit zest into a cocktail shaker. Add sugar syrup and fresh lime juice. Black cherry was inspired by acerola, a tiny red cherry-like fruit native to Barbados. Mr. Black cold-pressed coffee liqueur hails from Australia. Mount Gay Black Barrel is full of bold spices, caramel, vanilla, and tropical fruits. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain excess water from the sling glass. Fine strain. Top with Fever Tree ginger ale. Garnish with the Amarena cherry and mint sprig. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.